So this is a quick video for my friend Dom on why I recommend using Notion over Google Docs or Microsoft Word. And the first reason is that you can make pages inside of pages. So let's say Dom is taking notes. So this is a note, blah, 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 right? Whatever. And then someone says that, hey, Dom, you should make a page about your skills and then your goals, right? What you can do from here is instead of having it all in one page, you can actually make sub pages. So I could type /page. Then it creates a new page, and I'm going to call this one skills, right? And then in here, I could type bullet, then it makes a bulleted list, so skill 1, skill 2, etc. And now I can go back, and I have this skills page inside of this main page, which just makes it really nice, because if you had like dom-skills as a Google Doc and then dom-goals as a Google Doc, you have to always find these Google Docs, and they're hard to go between and all of those things. The other part is something that I just showed, which is this / command. So you can do everything from your keyboard, and I've done this now with page, so creating a new page, and also creating a bulleted list. The two other ways that I use this are with to-do lists and also reminders. So I can do /to-do, and let's say I want print resume, and then I also want one like update LinkedIn, right? And I can cross these out and just click on them with my mouse. You can also rearrange them, the order. You can move it to a different part. So if I want to take these two and drag them up to the top, I can do that. It's just super easy to use. And of course, it syncs to your phone and it's free. Then the last thing is the reminders. So sometimes I will make a to-do in here and I just have it set up and I want to remind myself in a week. I can do /remind, and then I could do 1 week at 10 a.m. Rather, I think it's remind maybe 7 days. Or a date. Maybe I don't use this enough. And my alarm's going off. But I could do remind, and then let's try tomorrow, 10 a.m. There we go. That works. So it's super easy to use. You get pages inside of pages. It syncs on your phone. You can do different bulleted lists. If I do / you can see the options here. So we have regular text. We have to-do lists, headings. You could put tables in here, numbered lists, toggled lists, quotes, links to other pages. You can even put links to YouTube videos and various things that embed directly into it, which just looks a lot better than Google Docs or a Word document. So like if I put this video, I can embed it as a video. There it is. And then I can share this with anybody I want. So these are a few of the reasons I use Notion. I don't use any of the other fancy features like tasks, statuses, tags, all that stuff. I just use it for my own internal notes. It's very easy to use, very clean.